Mother Mary had the privilege to be born without sin. But from the beginning, she said yes, and she said yes every day of her life. We have very few references to Mother Mary in the Bible. The last reference is on the Pentecost day, she was there with the disciples and the Holy Spirit came down upon them. Afterwards, there is no reference to Mother Mary. But we can imagine, surely till her death, she was with the disciples and encouraging them, giving them hope, and she was leading them. Jesus is God and man, but Mary is one of us, a human person. She is not a goddess. Therefore, she can understand our pain, our agony, our problems and everything. Therefore, for us, she is the model for service. When she was told that she will become the mother of Jesus, and when she said yes, and when she was told by angel Gabriel that her relative Elizabeth is with the child in the 6th month, Mary rushes, Luke says, to Elizabeth's place. She doesn't wait. Let all come and bring me garlands and congratulate me. No, Mary is a humble servant of God. And the Gospel of Luke says she remained there for 3 months. She served Elizabeth. Then she is at the wedding at Cana. Jesus was there with his disciples. And the wine became less. And Mary understood the pain of the host of the wedding. Therefore, she pleads with her son, saying, they have no wine. And John says, though it was not the time of Jesus to perform a miracle, for the sake of his mother, he performed the miracle.